When creating the infographic needed for our team project, I used the following design choices. I used a template as the starting place for the infographic because of a few key reasons. Firstly, the template background related to the geographical theme of the infographic, the geography of video games, a global map of Steam users. Second, the template colors were pre-selected to best complement this background. With this neutral color palette, the infographic is able to reach a more diverse audience. Visual hierarchy allowed me to focus the statistics around a specific data story. This is achieved by using font sizes to create focal points within the infographic. The flow of information is easily followed because of how elements are grouped together cohesively. In order to achieve this visual grouping, I kept the spatial alignment of separate points organized. By sticking to the same color palette throughout the infographic, I was able to create color harmony. Red was my main attention-drawing color. Gray and white were used to contrast certain data points from others. Finally, the blue-gray color was used to tie in the background image to the overall story. Throughout the infographic, I kept the contrast consistent to aid in the cohesiveness and readability of the document. In order to simplify the design, I chose to stick to one font. To provide text emphasis, I relied on font size and capital letters to add weight to messages. If you have any further questions about my design choices, please feel free to contact me. Thank you for watching.